guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So where do I even start? Like you all might have read by the title, so you all know by now this video is a Halloween makeup, and more than Halloween, this is the first makeup that I'm doing on my channel. And I don't know from where I got so much confidence that I thought why not go for a Halloween makeup even though it's my first time on this channel. So anyway, this channel is all about exploring and trying out new different things. So I thought let's just go for it. No matter what the results are, let's just go for it and do whatever it is. In case this Halloween doesn't work out, I'll just remove my makeup, and that is like a original Halloween. So yeah, jokes apart, so I've seen this look on Instagram. I'll make sure to give the credits in the end of the video because I'm not so confident about myself doing the exact same look. I might mess up somewhere and do something else only in the end. So I'll show it, but I will show it in the end. Like I'll post the picture that I've seen in the end. Okay, so now that I'm done tying my hair, let's move to the first step, that is moisturizing my face. So I'm using this Coco Chanel moisturizer, which was obviously gifted to me. So let me just moisturize my face. So now that I'm done moisturizing my face, the next step is to apply primer, and I'm using Huda Beauty Fit Me Primer, matte plus poreless oil-free primer. So let me just apply it. Okay, so I'm done applying primer. Let me just start with foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is almost over. Okay, the foundation that I'm using is this Lakme Perfect Liquid Foundation. So this foundation, I don't know, it reminds me of my childhood where my mom used to apply this. Like that, there was a time when Lakme used to nail it. Like Lakme used to ace every makeup. So my mom used to use all the Lakme products, starting from lipstick to foundation to powder, loose powder and all of that. So from then I am very used to Lakme foundations, and I have to experiment a lot in foundation. Like I have to use other brands also, but so far I'm using Lakme foundation. So let me just start applying it. So I'm done with the foundation, and also I feel I require another layer of foundation, because in the makeup the base has to be very strong, and I'm literally very bad at getting that perfect base. So let me just add one more layer of it, and then we are good to go. So the next step is to add the concealer, apply the concealer. So the concealer that I'm using is this L'Oreal Paris Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Caramel 335. So I've seen in this random Instagram video which said that you have to apply concealer in the upward direction rather than applying it underneath your eyes. So you have to apply it here and here, and then here and here, then wherever you want, but not exactly under your eyes. So that is one thing that I have seen in the Instagram video, so I thought of sharing it with y'all. So let me just apply concealer. So concealer is done. Now the next step is to apply the foundation powder, loose powder or any powder. So I'm gonna go with the Lakme loose or rose powder. So let me just show you all. This is the rose powder that I'm gonna use, and it's in the shade warm pink, like 02 warm pink. Okay guys, so I've dusted off all the powder, and the next step is to put my lashes. I don't know, it's comfortable for me to apply my lashes and then go for eyeshadow and eyeliner, whatever it is. So let me just put my eyeshadow off the camera.
2 hours later.
Okay, so finally I'm done with eyelashes. So the next step is to go with the eye makeup. So for eyes, what I thought is I'll go with the red color, like sort of a wild red theme, because the whatever Halloween part I'm doing is almost in red. So that's why I thought, why not go for a glam, like glitter red theme. I don't know why I'm explaining so much. I don't even know how it's gonna turn out. So anyway, let's just start with the eye makeup. So for eyes, I am using for eyeshadow I'm using the Huda palette, and I'll show you the palette. Where is it? Okay, so for the eyeshadow I'm using this nude Huda Beauty palette. So this is my first ever palette that I bought, and this was the time, there was a time where I was like so excited about makeup and new makeup products, and that's when I bought this. And this has like all these shades. I'm very sorry, it's actually very dirty. So yeah, so these are the shades, and out of this I'm gonna use the shade Spanked and Spank, Tease and Tickle. So these are the three shades that I'm going to be using. So at first I'm going to mix lace and concealed shades, because that sometimes our eyes get becomes very dark when you directly apply a dark color on it. So I prefer going with the light shade first and then applying a dark shade on it. So let me just start with the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, this is it for now, and now it's the most scariest part. Oh god, so now it's the most scariest part for me, that is the gum, the non-sticky glue, so on my eyebrows. So this is for the first time I'm experimenting all of these, and I have no idea why I'm even doing all these. So let me just go with the flow. So yeah, first I have to and then on this I'm gonna apply concealer to make it more like a skin color, more sort of skin color. So yeah. And for this eyebrows, I'm gonna make it red. So for that, I'm using the same shade. So the next palette that I'm using is this Huda Beauty highlighter. So I'm using the white shade of this. And now I'm using this some random name contour hashtag slash baking powder slash highlighter, so all in one, and it's already broken, it's very old. So I'm using the white highlighter of this. Next most riskiest part or most difficult part of this makeup, is this. And yeah, so this is gonna be the best and the maybe worst if I don't do it properly. So yeah. Okay, so I'm done with this part and I know I'm looking like deadly weird, but yeah, this was the most riskiest part and I just used a little bit of lash glue for sticking this properly. So the next step is to do my eyeliner and all of that, complete my eye look, and then go to the final touch up of this look. This is really heartbreaking, so I'm gonna put the cards like queen and ace cards, so on here and here if possible. So I'm gonna cut this because I can't just put this like the whole thing there. So so this is ready and I'm gonna put it here. Okay, now the final step is to apply highlighter to the parts where, okay, that's not the final step, I have to apply my lipsticks. What is this? And for lipstick, I'm gonna mix two shades, that is this and this, a normal Huda Beauty one. I'm also gonna mix this shade of Huda Beauty because this is looking very reddish and not. Okay, so this is the food coloring that I'm gonna use as blood.